Mike, and the next weather forecast, the rumor I heard is that the January thaw is coming to an end.
It's taking a break. I think we get a little more January thaw after, a cooler weekend for sure. That rumor is correct. There'll be a little bit of snow that falls as well before that, but we're going to add a few more blue squares to this map after what has been a mostly above average January here in the Twin Cities at least. Today will also go down as above average, but then tomorrow and Sunday, I think both will be blue squares. Still, we're like 6 degrees above average for the month so far, the young month so far, but we have a few more warm days on the way after this goes by and the cool air that follows it moves out. We're back to 40s, 50 potentially in parts of Minnesota before the work week is over next week. Let's talk about the snow. Chance for at least an inch of snow in most of Minnesota, including the Twin Cities, is either 0 or very, very low. But there is the potential for an inch, maybe an inch and a half coming up across the Arrowhead and anywhere from around Rice Lake on eastward, so kind of east of I-94 in central and eastern Wisconsin coming up tonight, and then with a little more coming up tomorrow. Two pieces to watch out of this storm system. This is the main one. It's a little twist in the clouds coming down from Winnipeg. There's another little area of some moisture and some snow here across Kansas, all out ahead of a major heavy rain and localized severe weather event, kind of developing in real time across the Gulf Coast, and even a few severe thunderstorm warnings and confirmation of some damage. All these red dots here in upstate New York, where, like here, there is still some snow on the ground. This is all wind damage. And these are wind gusts, those blue arrows. Saw one of them around Niagara Falls, close to 70 miles an hour earlier today. So a little bit of an odd feel to be talking about severe weather in January. For us, yes, mild, but not that warm. And yes, we are cooling. So the forecast, as we go through the evening, shows that we're going to see this very narrow but pretty moderate to, at times, potentially even heavy up around the lakeshore band of snow. This comes in toward the Twin Cities between about 10 o'clock and midnight tonight. And yes, it will all be snow. We'll be in the upper 20s to around 30 degrees. Then that band moves eastward and continues to drop snow on central and eastern Wisconsin after daybreak tomorrow. But that's really it for us in terms of the widespread accumulating snow, like 2 or 3 hours worth coming up while you're asleep. However, tomorrow afternoon, there will be some flurries and snow showers kind of floating around. This is 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. They'll be spotty. They might add an additional coating or so of snow. But I think in general, we're talking about under an inch of snow, and that goes almost everywhere. A little breezy tomorrow afternoon as well. And with that, we wake up tomorrow morning around 22 or so temperature-wise in the Twin Cities, and then temperatures just kind of stay there all day long. Similar story in northern Minnesota, stuck in the teens. As we go through the overnight into Sunday morning, I think we'll start to see some clearing. So there will be some cooler pockets, single digits to around 10 up north. But that's average for this time of year. Notice these little white lines already turning around to the south. That's going to bring in mild air very quickly. And as we go through the day Sunday, even into Sunday evening, I think temperatures will be rising pretty consistently. With that, coming up Sunday afternoon, along and just south of the Canadian border, there will be a little bit of light snow floating by. I don't think that will have a major travel impact, but it could add yet another ½ an inch to an inch or so of snow in those far northern Minnesota counties over toward the Arrowhead and also across northern Wisconsin by the evening. And there's the warm-up. 39 Monday, 40 Tuesday with the chance for a couple of very light showers. That's the day that in snow-free areas of southwestern Minnesota, we'll get to 50 potentially again. And then we turn cooler. In fact, cold, I guess you would call that, Wednesday with a high only in the 20s. But again, that's average for this time of year. And we'll have another chance for a little light snow on Thursday or Friday. So kind of an active week, definitely all over the place with temperatures, but no major storms, no major travel impacts on the way.
Well, you won't be bored. You could.
We haven't been bored in months.
That's true.
It's been real busy.
Just navigating the ice out there.
Yeah.